Are you looking for a secure and guaranteed pension plan that ensures a steady income after retirement? Let me introduce you to LIC's Smart Pension Plan, a non-linked, non-participating, immediate annuity plan that provides you with a fixed and guaranteed pension for life. With this plan, you make a one-time investment and LIC starts paying you a regular income immediately, whether monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or yearly. LIC's Smart Pension Plan offers two types of annuity plans. 1. Single life annuity plans. 2. Joint life annuity plans. Single life annuity plans. This plan comes with multiple options. Option A, life annuity. The policyholder will receive a pension for as long as he is alive. Option B1, annuity. Certain for 5 years and life thereafter. Pension is guaranteed for at least 5 years. If the annuitant survives beyond 5 years, pension continues for life. If the annuitant passes away before 5 years, LIC continues paying the nominee until the 5 years period is complete. Option B2, annuity. Certain for 10 years and life thereafter. Pension is guaranteed for at least 10 years. If the annuitant lives beyond 10 years, pension continues for life. If the annuitant passes away before 10 years, the nominee receives pension for the remaining period. Option B3, annuity. Certain for 15 years and life thereafter. Pension is guaranteed for 15 years even if the annuitant passes away early. If the annuitant lives beyond 15 years, pension continues for life. Option B4, annuity. Certain for 20 years and life thereafter. Pension is guaranteed for 20 years, ensuring long-term income security. If the annuitant lives beyond 20 years, pension continues for life. Option C1, life annuity with a 3% annual increase. Pension starts at a fixed amount and increases by 3% every year, simple interest. Pension continues for life but stops after death, no return of purchase price. Option C2, life annuity with a 6% annual increase. Pension increases by 6% every year, offering better inflation protection. Like C1, it stops after death with no return of purchase price. Option D, life annuity plus return of balance. Purchase price. Pension continues for life and after death the nominee receives the remaining purchase price. Option E, life annuity plus return of purchase price. This option provides a long-term pension with a partial refund for the family. The return of the purchase price varies based on the chosen option. E1, life annuity with 50% return of the purchase price after attaining age 75. EE2, life annuity with 100% return of the purchase price after attaining age 75. E3, life annuity with 50% return of the purchase price after attaining age 80. E4, life annuity with 100% return of the purchase price after attaining age 80. E5, life annuity with 5% return of the purchase price each year from age 76 to 95. Option F, life annuity plus full return of purchase price. The policyholder receives a pension for life and after death the nominee gets the full purchase price. Which option is right for you? If you want maximum pension, choose option A. If you want guaranteed income for a set period, go for options B1 to B4. If you're worried about inflation, choose C1 or C2. If you want pension with family benefits, choose D, E1 to E5 or F. Joint life annuity plans. Joint life annuity can be taken with family members, spouse, parents, children, siblings, or even in-laws. This plan also includes various options similar to single life annuity plans. Option G1, 50% annuity to secondary annuitant. The primary annuitant receives a pension for life. After their death, 50% of the annuity continues for the secondary annuitant. Option G2, 100% annuity to secondary annuitant. The primary annuitant receives a pension for life. After their death, 100% of the annuity continues for the secondary annuitant. Option H1, increasing 3% annuity plus 50% to secondary annuitant. Pension increases by 3% yearly. After the primary annuitant's death, 50% of the annuity continues for the secondary annuitant. Option H2, increasing 6% annuity plus 50% to secondary annuitant. Pension increases by 6% yearly. After the primary annuitant's death, 50% of the annuity continues for the secondary annuitant. Option I1, increasing 3%. Annuity plus 100% to secondary annuitant, pension increases by 3% yearly. After the primary annuitant's death, 100% of the annuity continues for the secondary annuitant. Option I2, increasing 6%. Annuity plus 100% to secondary annuitant. Pension increases by 6% yearly. After the primary annuitant's death, 100% of the annuity continues for the secondary annuitant. Option J, 100% annuity plus return of purchase price. Full annuity continues as long as either annuitant is alive. After both annuitants pass away, the purchase price is returned to the nominee. So which option is right for you? If you want pension for both partners, choose G1 or G2. If you want growing pension with partial spouse benefits, go for H1 or H2. If you want growing pension with full spouse benefits, choose I1 or I2. If you want lifelong pension for both with money back to heirs, go for option J. Age details. For option F, minimum age 18 years and maximum age 100 years. For options E1 and E2, 18 years, 65 years. For options E3, E4 and E5, 18 years, 70 years. For options A, B1 to B4, C1, C2, D, G1, G2, H1, H2, I1, I2, J, 18 years, 85 years. For joint life plans, in case of joint life, the minimum and maximum age limits specified above shall apply to both lives. Special benefit for Divyangjan. If the plan is purchased under option G2 or J for a dependent with a disability, the minimum age restriction does not apply. Premium details. Minimum purchase price 1 lakh rupees. Maximum purchase price no limit. You can invest as much as you want. Minimum annuity 12,000 per yearly, 6,000 per half yearly, 3,000 per quarterly, 1,000 per monthly. Maximum annuity, no limit mode of premium payment, single premium. Key benefits of LIC Smart Pension Plan. Death benefit. In case of the annuitant's demise, the nominee receives the death benefit in one of the following ways. 1. Lump sum. Death benefit. The full death benefit amount is paid as a one-time lump sum to the nominee. 2. Annuitization of death benefit. The nominee can use the death benefit amount to purchase an immediate annuity, ensuring continued pension income. Advanced annuity option. This benefit available under option J only. If the primary annuitant passes away, the surviving annuitant can withdraw a discounted lump sum from 1% to 100% of the annuity's value for up to 5 years. If only a partial amount is withdrawn, the remaining annuity continues. After the advanced annuity period 5 years ends, the original annuity resumes. If the surviving annuitant surrenders or passes away during this period, the benefits are reduced proportionally. Annuity accumulation option. Defer and grow your annuity for 5 years to receive a larger payout later. Can be exercised up to 3 times during the policy term. No loans are allowed during the accumulation period. If the annuitant passes away, the nominee receives the accumulated amount, can be cancelled any time for a lump sum payout. NPS subscriber benefit. NPS subscribers from government, corporate and Swawalamban sectors can avail specific annuity options as per PFRDA regulations. Special benefit for dependent persons with disabilities. Eligible under options G2 and J, ensuring lifelong financial support for a dependent with disabilities. Surrender option LIC Smart Pension Plan offers the flexibility to surrender the policy anytime under specific annuity options. This means you can exit anytime and get back your investment based on your chosen option. Option D and option F. If you have chosen life annuity with return of purchase price, you can surrender anytime and get back the original purchase price, the amount you invested. Option E1 and E2 get back 50% or 100% of your purchase price after turning 75 years old. If you surrender before 75, you will not be eligible for this benefit. Option E3 and E4. Similar to the above, but here you get back 50% or 100% of your purchase price after 80 years of age. Option E5. Instead of a one-time payout, You receive 5% of your purchase price every year from age 76 to 95. If you surrender, the remaining balance is returned to you. Option J, for joint life. Annuity holders, the annuity continues as long as one of the annuitants is alive. Once the last survivor passes away, the nominee gets back the full purchase price. Early surrender is allowed if needed. Why should you buy LIC's Smart Pension Plan? Guaranteed income for life. Imagine having a steady income just like your salary, even after retirement. LIC Smart Pension ensures financial security for life. Maintain your lifestyle. After years of hard work, you deserve to enjoy your current standard of living without financial stress. Protection against inflation. With options like increasing annuities, your pension keeps growing to keep up with rising costs. Additional income source. Need extra income apart from your savings? This plan acts as a supplementary income, giving you financial independence. Joint life option. Pension for your partner. If something happens to you, your partner continues to receive the pension, ensuring their financial security. Liquidity, loan and advance annuity. Need emergency funds? You can take a loan or advance annuity for financial support. Flexibility accumulation option. Want to defer your annuity and get a larger payout later? This option lets you grow your pension fund for future use. Create wealth for your family. With the return of purchase price option, your family gets a lump sum or can convert it into a regular income for continued financial stability. Do not wait until it is too late. Start planning today. Contact us now for a free consultation. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. Let us know in the comments which feature you like the most. See you in the next video.